Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English Practice.
First day at school, my feelings and thoughts. Today is a very, very big day. It is my first day at school. I have never been to school before. I feel many things inside. I feel happy. I feel excited. But I also feel scared. I do not know what will happen. I do not know if I will make friends. I do not know if the teacher will be nice. Last night I went to bed early. I could not sleep fast. I kept thinking about school. I looked at my school bag. I looked at my new dress. Everything was ready. Still, I felt nervous. This morning I woke up when the sun was still low. The sky was pink and blue. Birds were singing outside. I opened my eyes and remembered. Today is the day. My first school day. My mom helped me get ready. She gave me a big hug. She said, "You will be fine." I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I ate a small breakfast. I drank a glass of warm milk. Then I put on my pink dress. It is soft and pretty. It has a small bow on the side. I also wear white socks and new shoes. I feel like a princess. My mom takes a picture of me. She says, "Smile, Anna." I smile. We pack my bag. Notebook, pencil, eraser, crayons, a small snack, and a water bottle. I also put in a small picture of my family, just in case I feel sad later. We walk to school. My school is not far. I see other children going too. Some are walking, some are on bicycles, some are in cars. Some look happy, some look worried, just like me. I hold my mom's hand. I ask, "Will you wait for me?" She says, "I will pick you up after class." I nod. I feel a little better. We reach the school gate. There are many people. It is loud. Children are talking. Parents are saying goodbye. Some children are crying. Some are laughing. It is busy. Then I see a boy. He is standing alone. He is not crying. He is smiling. He looks at me and waves. I wave back. He walks over and says, "Hi, what's your name?" I say, "I'm Anna." "What's your name?" He says, "I'm Tom." "Nice to meet you." I say, "Nice to meet you too." He says it is his first day too. We both smile. We are both new. That makes me feel better. I say goodbye to my mom. She gives me another hug. She says, "Have fun." Tom and I walk into the school. We look around. There are many classrooms. There are many children. Some are sitting. Some are playing. Some are looking around, just like us. The school is big. The walls are colorful. There are drawings and posters. I see a picture of the alphabet. I see a picture of numbers. It feels nice. It feels like a place for children. We find our classroom. There is a sign, Class 1A. We go inside. The teacher is already there. She is smiling. She says, "Good morning, everyone." We say, "Good morning, teacher." Her name is Miss Lily. She is kind. She has brown hair and wears glasses. She tells us to sit down. Tom and I sit together. The chairs are small. The tables are round. Everything feels new and different. Lily tells us what we will do today. She says we will sing, draw, and learn. I like the sound of that. I like to sing. I like to draw. I want to learn. First, we sing a song. It is the alphabet song. I know this song. I sing softly. Tom sings loudly. We laugh. Ms. Lily says, "Great singing." Then we learn the letters A, B, and C. She writes on the board. We say the letters out loud, A, B, C. We clap after each letter. It is fun. Next, Miss Lily gives us crayons and paper. She says, "Draw something you love." I draw my family. I draw my mom, dad, and me. I draw our house, a tree in the sun. Tom draws a robot. His robot has big eyes and long arms. We look at each other's drawings. I say, "Your robot looks cool." He says, "Thank you. Your family is beautiful." I smile. Then the bell rings. It is break time. We go outside. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. There's a playground. There are swings, slides, and climbing frames. Tom and I run to the swings. We take turns. Then we go to the slide. We go up and down. We laugh and play. Then we sit under a tree. We eat our snacks. I have a small cake. Tom has a banana. We share. We talk. We laugh more. I ask Tom, "Do you like school?" He says, "Yes, it's fun." I say, "I like it too." Then we play a game. We run around and chase each other. We make up silly rules. We pretend we are superheroes. Break time ends. We go back to class. Now it's story time. Miss Lily reads a story about a little bear who gets lost and finds home. The bear is scared, but kind animals help him. At the end, he finds his mother. I feel warm inside. Then we do some counting. We count apples, bananas, and balls. We say the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We use our fingers. We clap with each number. Later, Miss Lily lets us choose books. Tom and I sit on a mat and look at picture books. We find a book about space. We find another book about animals. We see a lion, a penguin, and a koala. I like animals. Tom likes rockets. We talk about what we want to be when we grow up. Tom says, "I want to be a robot maker." I say, "I want to be a teacher like Miss Lily." He says, "That's nice." Say, "You too." The clock ticks slowly, but I do not want the day to end. I feel happy now. I feel calm. I feel brave. Before we leave, Miss Lily says, "You all did great today." She gives us each a small sticker. Mine is a yellow star. Tom gets a red heart. We stick them on our shirts. The bell rings again. It is time to go home. We stand in line. I see my mom at the gate. She waves. I run to her. She hugs me and says, "How was your day?" I say it was amazing. I tell her about Tom. I tell her about Miss Lily. I tell her about the song, the drawing, the story, and the playground. She listens. She smiles. At home, I take off my shoes. I sit at the table. I draw a picture of my first day. I draw the school. I draw me and Tom. I draw Miss Lily. I write, "First day of school, happy." I hang the picture on my wall. I look at it. I feel proud. I feel big. I am not a little girl anymore. I am a student now. Before I sleep, I talk to my teddy bear. I say, "I had a good day." I hug him and close my eyes. Tomorrow, I will go to school again. I will learn more letters. I will read more books. I will play with Tom. I will laugh. I will grow. School is not scary. School is fun. School is where I learn. School is where I make friends. My name is Anna, and this is the beginning of my school story.